In one country, you can find thousands of street foods: sweet, smoky, fermented, and incredibly spicy. But why is Indonesian street food so varied? And why does heat play such an important role? This is Storyscape Indonesia, where everyday flavors tell extraordinary stories. Across more than 17,000 islands, Indonesia's street food reflects centuries of migration, trade, and culture. Indonesia is the world's largest archipelago. Each island developed its own ingredients, cooking techniques, and flavors. From coconut-rich dishes in Sumatra, to seafood-heavy menus in Sulawesi, to sweet and savory balances in Java. For centuries, Indonesia stood at the heart of the global spice trade. Chilies arrived from the Americas, blending with local spices like turmeric, galangal, and lemongrass. What followed was an explosion of flavor, bold, layered, and unforgettable. Apart from having a wealth of culture, tribes, and ethnicities, Indonesia, which consists of various islands, has a different taste in each region. In Padang, flavors are rich and fiery. In Java, dishes balance sweet and savory. In Eastern Indonesia, simplicity and freshness dominate, yet all are unmistakably Indonesian. Today, Indonesian street food is going global. From food trucks in New York to night markets in Australia, these flavors travel far beyond the islands, because food is more than taste, it's identity. Indonesian street food is a reflection of its people, diverse, bold, and full of warmth. Every bite tells a story shaped by geography, history, and culture. If you want to explore more stories from Indonesia's streets and islands, subscribe to Storyscape Indonesia and taste the journey with us.